There are seasons in life when the fire inside grows quiet, when even simple steps feel heavy, and when the dreams that once moved your soul begin to feel distant and silent. But within you, there still remains a hidden spark waiting patiently for the moment you decide to believe in yourself again. These quotes are for the tired heart, the discouraged mind, and the soul learning that losing momentum does not mean losing destiny. Sometimes losing your drive is not a sign that you are weak or lazy, but a quiet message from your soul asking you to rest long enough to remember why you began the journey in the first place. Even exhausted rivers still find the sea, because purpose remembers the way when strength forgets. Do not measure your worth by how motivated you feel today, because even the brightest stars disappear every morning and still return faithfully to light the night again. The sky never panics during darkness, for dawn has always kept its promise. When your passion fades and your ambition grows cold, remember that seasons change slowly, and even the strongest trees stand bare before they bloom again. Winter is not the death of the forest, but preparation for another spring. You are not failing because you slowed down, because life sometimes carries hidden battles that drain the spirit quietly, while the world only notices the pause and never the pain. Some storms leave no scars on the skin, yet they reshape the soul forever. Never believe the lie that one unproductive chapter has the power to erase all the strength, wisdom, and resilience you spent years building within yourself. A paused song is not a forgotten melody. The people who eventually rise again are not always the most talented or fearless, but often the ones who keep moving softly through the fog even when they cannot yet see the mountain ahead. Small footsteps still carry the soul forward through the dark. There are moments when discipline must carry you gently through the days that inspiration abandons you, because commitment often keeps dreams alive long enough for passion to return. The candle survives the wind because the flame refuses to surrender its light. Do not hate yourself for feeling lost, because every meaningful transformation begins with confusion, silence, uncertainty, and the painful breaking of old versions of yourself. Caterpillars do not recognize themselves inside the cocoon. When life disappoints you repeatedly, the heart naturally becomes cautious about hoping again. Yet, healing begins the moment you dare to believe that tomorrow can still hold beauty. Even broken windows welcome the sunrise. The absence of motivation is not always emptiness, because sometimes the soul is quietly rebuilding its foundations beneath the surface where no one can yet see the progress. Roots grow deepest in darkness before flowers touch the light. You do not need to reclaim your entire future in one dramatic moment, because often the return of purpose begins with one small promise kept to yourself today. A single spark can patiently rebuild a fire. Never underestimate how much strength it takes to continue living with hope after disappointment has visited your heart more times than encouragement ever did. Some warriors fight battles no applause will ever witness. The version of you that feels tired today is still deserving of kindness, because healing minds and weary souls were never meant to bloom under constant self-hatred. Rain nurtures the earth more gently than fire ever could. One day you will realize that the period you called wasted time was actually the season that taught you patience, depth, humility, and the quiet courage to begin again. The slowest rivers often carve the deepest valleys. Your drive can return stronger than before when you stop chasing perfection and start rebuilding your life with honesty, balance, peace, and compassion for the human being you truly are. The strongest flames are often reborn from ashes. If your spirit feels tired today, do not mistake exhaustion for defeat, because many beautiful futures begin in moments when people almost gave up, but chose instead to take one more quiet step forward into the unknown. Your fire is not gone, it is waiting. If you enjoyed this video, like, subscribe, and turn on notification for more seeds of wisdom.